Good evening, preschools. This is Sunil Patel. I represent a company called Edulogics Global. We are the pioneers in creating content-based preschools, content-driven virtual preschools platforms to help you tide off the COVID crisis. Now, we understand this that 80% of the preschools are shutting down because of lack of business. We also understand a point that people do not have a proper platform except Zoom and other video sharing platforms. So in this case, without wasting much of your time and basically trying to make you understand that we have created a entire content managed classroom for you, which actually saves the efforts of recruiting teachers, and at the same time keeping your preschool on with a lower number of students and help you retain your brand at the time of this crisis, because we understand that this crisis may even extend beyond this year. So you need to gear up, you need to create a platform which you can give to parents. You can immediately start sharing this with your parents and you can keep your school on. So to start with, you can actually note down the points, and in case you have a concern, we can have that discussed. I'll be sharing the details because we are flashing this presentation out on every platform so people understand. So the whole idea is we give you a distinct identity on the portal in the form for login ID password. So once you log in with the login ID password, your entire virtual school opens in front of you in terms of the screen. So we actually give you a cloud-based school where parents can see the entire operations which happens when your actual school is running. So the first part is everybody is concerned, even the parents are concerned regarding the academic material. So as a school, since I was talking of this before, that we are a content driven platform. When you see the situation, everybody is giving platforms, but nobody is driving the platform with contents. We are driving the entire platform with contents, which becomes a ready-made solution for you to manage your schools, to start your schools, to conduct classes. So we have this entire book set which has been given to you, right? You have the playgroup, nursery, junior, senior. If I click on the playgroup book sets, the playgroup book sets are divided into two parts, which are the digital books, and the second part is the smart books. Now, to start with the first part, we have given you planned textbooks to counter the situation. The textbook actually starts with a planner. We have the annual plans for every subject class wise. The annual plans further subdivided to month plans, the month plans further subdivided to day plans, and the day plans further go on to your lecture plans. We have gone in for a micro-based planning for conducting your classes. Now the entire book actually starts and goes according to your lecture plans. So say you're on day 1 of playgroup, say you have to start with something about myself. So you have a page on teaching myself and then the coloring activity. We have the same books in the physical format. So if you want, you can just get back to us and we'll get you on with the physical form. Day 2, there's a letter A, and you can use this for teaching letter A and explaining a child how to color on the letter A. Now this platform actually reduces the need for you to create PPTs, the need for you to assimilate content, the need for you to think of a delivery platform when you are teaching a live classroom. Here the book opens in front of you also. The child can also open the book in front of his screen also. So the textbook part is taken care of, where the child may be having a physical textbook or the child may be having this digital textbook. Now, apart from the digital textbook, we need to give something to the child which serves as a permanent record for him to revise at home. So in this case, we have something which is called as the smart book. The smart book is globally one of its kind, which we have specially created to counter a lot of things which happen during revisions. So say this is the same digital book with 3 extra buttons. The first button is basically for the e-learning part of that particular topic which you have taught. Normally, you use different material for e-learning, but in this case, the e-learning is on the page itself. The parent presses a button or the teacher presses a button, and the e-learning for that particular part will start. So there's an inbuilt e-learning which is in the book itself. We also have managed to integrate a actual teacher talk for you, so that if the child cannot attend school, or for some reasons you cannot take a live classroom, or for reasons say you do not have a teacher, in this case you can take the help of these classes to conduct your school. Because on this platform we have integrated page-wise lectures, and that too actual teachers lectures for you to understand. So we have the teacher talk integrated, right, in the book itself. Apart from that, we have a normal revision in the form of a puzzle for the child to understand whether he has understood the topic or not. These revisions or these games can be played by the child again and again, right? This is on every page, on every topic, to make him better understand the topic in a way that is more interactive. So as you see, we go on to create a world-class platform in the form of books, which has an inbuilt e-learning in the textbook itself, which we call as smart textbooks, which has an inbuilt teacher talk, right? Which has an inbuilt exam on every page, inbuilt revision on every page. Now this platform actually reduces the load of designing textbooks, designing PPTs, designing platforms through which you teach. This is a ready-made reference material wherein you can actually have your lectures also on this book. If you want, you can actually upload your lectures on this teacher talk also. That makes the entire process of your school fascinating. It makes you world class. So this is the first part where we have the content-driven platforms for you. We have content-driven books, textbook, which will change the entire face of education now, which will change the way in which normal textbook are being taught. We have separate writing textbooks also if you want in the physical format. Apart from that, we have a My Classroom on this, wherein you can load your lectures, right? And you can teach through these lectures. So even we have introduced lectures on every topic. This is around 10,000 lectures, right? Say we have completed the entire book. So as far as your content part is, it is concerned, we have completed everything. We have a facility where you can give daily homeworks, which is a major concern. In this case, the homeworks can be given. The child can, take a photograph. The parent can take a photograph of the homework done. He can upload it through his mobile, and the teacher can actually check the homework, upload it back. The parent gets a feedback. So we have an entire feedback management system in place. We also have a calendar where you can give the schedules to the parent as to when, where, what class is happening, how you are going to conduct your studies. So a normal calendar which is converted to your digital part. Apart from that, we have a system wherein you can create specific login ID passwords for every child, which is a separate record for the child, wherein his books, his performances, his results will be uploaded, right? Now, this is a very small process. It takes hardly a couple of minutes to, create a login ID password for every child. Now, once you create a login ID and password for a child, the child can log in through his login ID password. So this is the login ID password for the child. As you can see, he can access his books, right? He can access the material which you have given him, right? Which I showed you. Apart from that, he can, look at his lectures. The child can access the lectures. Whatever lecture he wants to see, whatever lecture you want to show him, all the lectures he can access. Apart from that, he can also see his homeworks, that the homeworks which you have submitted, these are his homeworks. With the homeworks, we have a process for regularly assessing the child. So you can actually go in and take a test on his weekly portions. Whatever you have taught during the weeks, whatever exams are being uploaded there, the child can actually take a exam. Once the child takes an exam, the results are automatically uploaded on the system and serves as a permanent database of the child's performance. So the child can look at the question, he can see the answers, he can select the right answer, whatever options he selects. And once he is done with the questions, right, once the questions are done, he can also see the result of the exam. As I told you before on this before this part, that these results serve as a permanent record of the child's performance and it is uploaded on his database, right? There's an attendance platform also inbuilt on this. So this platform is a entirely integrated platform with a price of something as low as 99 rupees per child per month. That is what is the point which I am trying to bring back to you, that we have integrated a hand holding platform. We do not want to burden a school with options such as parents are not paying, parents are not giving money, or the parents are not coming to it. There are 100 excuses which are happening in the market. We are giving you a full-fledged option at 99 rupees per month per student, right? There are no hidden charges, there are nothing. We just want this whole process to go on. We just want this process to start. We want you to start your regular schools. We are there to handhold you throughout the COVID situation, right? Our company is we are already handholding around 3,000 schools in the country, right? We are working with 3,000 preschools. We are working with around 3 lakh students and parents closely. So in order to just get the ball rolling, in order to get the situation going, we have introduced this virtual school. I would like all of you to go through this presentation. I am giving you a number. It is 8698922922. You'll find Vishal or Richa on this number. I am repeating. I am not putting it on the screen. I am repeating. It is 8698922922. We'll be putting on numbers with this presentation also. So if any one of you is interested, we can make you up in the next 10 minutes. We want you to be up, start your own virtual school, start your own brand, and then we'll go further with the further developments on how we can make this a more robust process. Thank you very much for listening, and in case of any queries, we are putting the numbers after this video, so you can get in touch with us through the numbers or the email ID which is given to you.